Good morning. Happy Monday. It's Brett here with Directors. So, wanted to reach out this morning here with the third challenge of our fourth quarter challenge. So, challenge one, of course, was really diving into a detailed vision. Number two was diving into the commitments. What can I do or what can I stop doing, committing to in order to help that vision come to fruition? Number three, going to get a little more tactical for us. So, as many of you know, I'm part of the core. It's been an awesome experience for me. And one of the forms we do, and we typically redo this multiple times a year, is what we call the accounts pyramid. And it's a way to organize our referral partners and referral sources. So it gives us a couple of things. One, a nice broke down form once we go through of who we're going to market to, how we're going to market to them, what are we going to do, so we can organize that. But number two, it lets us really evaluate some numbers. Essentially in buckets, how many leads are coming from these different sources. And over time, the goal is how can I help bring these sources, add value to them to bring them up the chain and therefore get more from them. So attached, you will find a form. It's editable. You can start working through this. And at the very top, you're going to see the tip of the pyramid. Now, this is going to be for our whale accounts. Essentially, this is anybody, again, any type of business partner, past client that is giving you 12 leads a year or more. So that's kind of the tip top category one. Now you'll notice there's typically not a ton of those because those relationships take more time. We really want to invest deeply in those. So it's more about the quality than quantity, but it's going to be a great way to see where that is. Now, if you don't have someone giving you 12 leads a year, that is okay. It's okay if that category is blank for now. Again, we'll work to move these guys up over time. Number two, category two is going to be what we call VIP. So these are going to be, VIP referral partners for you. And that would be anyone giving you 4 leads a year, or say 4, meaning 1 per quarter for us. The next category down is going to be your top 50. So top 50 past clients or other referral sources that are actively referring you business. Now, this might be simply 1 deal a year or 1 lead a year, which is fine, but that's kind of that top 50 past clients or other referral partners we want to go to. Then the very bottom of it is going to be prospects. So I think from that standpoint, it could be anything from other referral sources, business owners, people you want to go after, past clients, maybe they are not actively giving us something at the moment, on an annual basis or at all. Hey, what can we do to invest in them, give them value, help them start referring you business, or this could be just other prospects you want to go after in general. So I think that can be a really good breakdown for us. Now within there, I think there's some key pieces to look at. Hey, as you start to itemize these out and look at, hey, how many leads did I get from these places? I think if you have the ability to pull the data, how many deals did you close as well? I think you will find there's going to be some types of lead sources over the years that are giving us leads, but we might not really be converting many of them. So, and that can come down to say maybe they're not the right partner or maybe they're simply just not knowing how to vet clients or to refer them the right way. So I think kind of getting a feel of one, who's giving me what? How do I categorize them? But within that, hey, how is the execution or conversion on these going? So again, this is a long project, guys. This isn't something to do in 10 minutes, but it's very, very valuable to see where's your business at. Hey, how can you help move these folks up that chain to get more referrals over the years? So take some time. Please go through it. Let me know any questions I can help to answer, but I promise this is a very valuable exercise and will give you a great platform as you move into 2024 to say, okay, here's my different categories. How do I want to specifically market to each one to really help capitalize more leads and then ultimately move them up the chain? So I hope this is a helpful exercise. As always, any questions, reach out, and of course, have a great week here.